Hey guys, it's Catch, Carry, and Co. here at the top of Independence Pass, getting ready to drop into Aspen for a weekend adventure. The home base for our Aspen adventure was the Little Nell, which is Aspen's most luxurious and only 5-star, 5-diamond property located right at the base of Ajax Mountain. It was epic. As a family, we connected because we didn't have a packed agenda. Our top priority every day was to enjoy the hotel, which started by getting settled in the room.
Trying to get some water for Daddy. Daddy wants some water.
After we unpacked,
And all my toys go right here.
it was time to explore the hotel. It recently underwent a full renovation, leaving the legendary property with a refreshed, swanky, chic style. We made stops at the heated outdoor pool and hot tub each day, where Everett made himself comfortable, and Alina enjoyed room snacks from the complimentary minibar. Also on site is Ajax Tavern, which offers big-time mountain views, being at the base of the ski mountain next to the gondola. The go-tos here is the Wagyu cheeseburger served with truffle fries. The location of the hotel is walking distance to world-class hiking trails, where Everett found the perfect hiking stick and worked up quite the appetite and saw new plants.
Is that asparagus? Is that asparagus?
We also enjoyed walking around downtown Aspen, where Everett, even in a dress shirt, could not wait to run through the fountains. In downtown, Everett wanted to stop to play mini golf in a 4-year-old fashion, which didn't always involve putting the ball. After walking around town to enjoy the scenery and a few family fun photo ops, we were always ready to head back to our home base, the Little Nell, to soak up precious family time. The hardest part of the trip came when it was time to check out. En route to Denver, driving the twists and turns over Independence Pass, Everett kept telling us what a great time he had. And even weeks after, Everett still talks about the Little Nell because all of the fun moments, big and small, brought us closer together as a family.